Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 96 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge. And today in this video we are going to look at the introductory part on Streamlit. So what is Streamlit? Streamlit is an open source framework for machine learning and data science teams, and it also allows us to create beautiful and attractive web apps just in few hours. So now let's say you want to create an web app with the help of our Python, and in this case our Streamlit acts as a bridge that connects our Python and our web application. And we can also deploy your particular model in Streamlit itself. And now let's look at why we need Streamlit. So we all know that this is the perfect life cycle of a data scientist, and where the first step is to understand the business, and then we need to collect the raw data and prepare the data, and we will perform some exploratory data analysis using pandas and numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and we will model it, and we will pass it for model evaluation using the metrics, and we will finally deploy our model. So by looking at what is Streamlit, we know that Streamlit is used in model deployment too, and it is not only basically helps us in model deployment, and also it is helpful for us in exploratory data analysis too. And as Streamlit helps us with these two major areas of a life cycle in data science, and we can definitely use Streamlit as a beginner. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video, we looked at what is Streamlit and why we need Streamlit. Thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 97.